Echombeko ky'okuza kombekwa Eirwariro rya Hoima hango nikija kuba kiriho wodi y'abakazi benda ishemerezo, wodi y'okutahamu abakazi abamara kuzaara, wodi y'abaine ebizibu omu bicweka by'ekyama hamwe na wodi ezindi ezikwatirine n'ebyokuzaara. Omurimo gw'okwombeka nigwija kukorwa abasirikare ba UPDF ab'ekitongole kya National Enterprise Corporation.
And it will also host the pediatric ward. It will have theaters and a mortuary as well.
We offer antenatal services to them. We offer deliveries in labor suit. Then we admit them postnatal services.
Dr. Sophie Namasopo, omukuru w'Eirwariro rya Hoima hango, yagira ngo urukwezi Eirwariro niryakira abakazi abari hagati ya 8 hamwe na 9.
Our bed occupancy for maternity ward is about 150%, which strains the resources that are available.
Most of these deaths we get are usually either mismanaged in the community and we receive them very late. That's a very, very big problem.
Namasopo noho yasimira government abo kubateekateekaho kandi nayenda babombekere n'ekyombeko ekindi.
Building funds for construction of the maternal and child complex. The estimated cost of the building is about 10 billion.
Captain Brian Bahanda, manager wa project ahabwa NEC, yagira ngo omurimo gwo kubanza nibija kugukorera emyezi 4.
Finish this first phase in maybe under 4 months as we wait for government to allocate more resources to complete the complex. The complex is a 4-level building, but the resources which we have will not be able to complete it.
Bamwe mu bebembezi basima government bari kugira ngo umuhendo gw'abantu gubire guru mwingi.
Nogenda ku ranting mu Eirwariro lino tukaleta CT scan, government yatekamu 10 billion already CT scan erumu kandi kuli naho haliyo intensive care unit abali kuli muno hali bagenda kubaga ni bajanjabirwa.
We need that improvement and we thank the hospital management for lobbying and for choosing of all sectors, of all sections.
Eirwariro rya Hoima rakatandikaho mu mwaka gwa 1935 ryija ryahindurwa rifaro mu mwaka gwa 1994 Gashakwa Ambrose n'Abagaba Katoto.